Have you ever stood at the edge of a cliff during sunset, the sky glowing orange and purple, the mountains stretching endlessly before you, and thought, if only I had the right gear to capture this moment forever? A lot of us have been there. The problem is that until now, drones that could capture professional quality shots were often big, heavy, and honestly a hassle to carry around. They needed their own bag, their own space, and sometimes even their own patience. But times are changing. DJI has just released the Mini 5 Pro, a drone that fits right into the palm of your hand, yet brings professional-level power to the sky. It's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket. But don't be fooled by its size. This drone is a serious tool for creators, travelers, and professionals alike. The crown jewel of this drone is without a doubt its camera. DJI has given the Mini 5 Pro a 1-inch CMOS sensor, and this is a very big deal. In the world of cameras, the sensor is everything. A small sensor is like trying to collect rain in a teacup you only catch a little. A big sensor is like using a bucket to gather so much more. More light, more detail, more color. With this larger sensor, the Mini 5 Pro captures scenes with incredible clarity, even in difficult conditions. And it doesn't stop there. DJI has added 14 stops of dynamic range, which means the camera can handle the brightest parts of a scene and the darkest shadows without losing detail. Imagine filming a sunset. The sky stays rich and glowing, while the land below remains sharp and visible instead of turning into a black silhouette. Combine that with 4000 resolution at 60 frames per second in HDR, and you've got video that isn't just smooth but bursting with lifelike colors. Another smart feature is the new 48mm medium telephoto lens with 2x zoom. If you've ever tried to get close to wildlife with a drone, you know it's not easy. Flying too close scares animals away and puts your drone at risk. The Mini 5 Pro fixes this by letting you zoom in without moving closer. The shots look cinematic, almost like you're standing right there with your subject. Picture filming a mountain biker coming down a trail. You can keep your drone at a safe distance but still capture dramatic, close-up footage that makes viewers feel the speed and intensity of the ride. For creators who focus on people, DJI has added portrait optimization. This means faces look natural and vibrant instead of washed out. Your selfies and group shots will look better than ever. And paired with the 225-degree rotating gimbal, you can now film in true vertical mode. This is huge for social media creators. Before, if you wanted to post drone footage on TikTok or Instagram Reels, you had to crop your video, which cut off parts of your shot. Now, with vertical shooting, your footage is ready to go directly on your favorite platform. It's like DJI built this feature with the modern creator in mind. Now let's talk about safety. If you've ever flown a drone, you know that sinking feeling when you see it heading straight toward a tree or a wall. Crashing is every pilot's nightmare. DJI has taken this seriously by giving the Mini 5 Pro omnidirectional obstacle sensing. With multiple vision sensors and forward-facing LAR, the drone can see in every direction and avoid obstacles automatically. And it's not just for daytime, it works at night too. Imagine flying through a forest at dusk, the light fading fast. The drone's sensors keep it safe even when your own eyes can't see clearly. It's almost like having a built-in guardian angel for your flight. Speaking of nighttime, this drone shines literally when the sun goes down. Small drones usually struggle in low light. The footage gets noisy and grainy, and you lose all the magic of the scene. But the Mini 5 Pro, with its f1.8 aperture and that large 1-inch sensor, turns low light into an opportunity. Flying over a city skyline at night, you see glowing windows, sharp details in the buildings, and colors that pop. Shooting at golden hour, when the light is soft and dramatic, looks professional without needing heavy editing. For filmmakers and vloggers who love capturing moments at sunrise or sunset, this is a game changer. Of course, a great drone also needs reliable connectivity. Nothing ruins a flight faster than losing your signal mid-air. DJI equipped the Mini 5 Pro with O4 Plus video transmission, which gives you a stable connection and a maximum range of up to 20 kilometers. Now, you won't be flying that far. Laws and safety won't allow it, but having that range means stronger, cleaner signals even in tricky environments. Whether you're in a city with tons of interference or flying over open landscapes, you can trust your drone to stay connected. Add in the extended flight time, and you've got the freedom to experiment with your shots without constantly checking the battery. Who is this drone really made for? The answer is simple: everyone. If you're a traveler, it's perfect because it's so lightweight and portable. You don't need to sacrifice space in your bag. If you're a professional filmmaker, you'll love the dynamic range, the HDR, and the low-light performance that make it suitable for real projects. And if you're a beginner, the safety features and ease of use make it approachable while still offering room to grow. It's like DJI asked, what if we gave everyone a professional-level drone, but made it as easy to carry as a phone? The Mini 5 Pro is their answer. Let's picture some real-life situations. You're on a hiking trip climbing toward a remote mountain peak. Carrying a heavy drone and all its gear would slow you down. But with the Mini 5 Pro, you slip it into your pocket. When you reach the top, you launch it in seconds and capture sweeping aerials that make your trip look epic. Or imagine filming a wedding. Larger drones are loud, distracting, and can pull attention away from the couple. The Mini 5 Pro is quieter, more discreet, and gives you stunning cinematic angles without disturbing anyone. Or maybe you're just a hobbyist who wants to film their neighborhood, family trips, or weekend adventures. This drone adapts to you. So the big question is, should you upgrade? If you already own a Mini 3 or an older model, the improvements here are massive. The camera alone is worth it: the 1-inch sensor, the HDR, the vertical shooting. Add the obstacle sensing, the stronger transmission, and the night performance, and you've got a drone that feels like a professional tool in a travel-friendly size. If you've been waiting for a drone that balances portability with real power, this is the one to get. At the end of the day, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than just a piece of tech. It's a partner for your creativity. It gives you the freedom to tell stories from a new perspective. Whether you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or someone who simply wants to make their family vacations look like a cinematic masterpiece, it proves that you no longer have to choose between small and powerful. You can have both. And with that, we wrap up this deep dive. But I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Mini 5 Pro? Does it finally convince you to get into drone flying? Or are you already planning your upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get the discussion going. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. On your screen right now, you'll find 2 more videos. One where I compare the Mini 5 Pro directly with the DJI Air 3, and another where I look at the future of drone technology and how compact drones are changing the game. Don't miss them. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, the DJI Mini 5 Pro may be mini in size, but it's absolutely professional in every way.